Zoom apps. Zoom apps is a fantastic new feature that Zoom has implemented. So with Zoom apps, you can download third-party apps onto your Zoom. It is great because now you can take apps from the outside and use them in your Zoom meetings. So if you look at your taskbar, you will see apps over here. You click on that and you can discover great new apps to use. It can help you during the meeting. You get something like Warmly People Insights. You've got something for agendas, a note taker, and there are also some games that you can play. I'm a teacher, so I like to use apps that get my students talking. So I've downloaded some of these games that you can play with your students in your Zoom classes. Let me show you an example with Dive. So you click here on apps, you open it up, and then you can click open. To make it easier to use, you can slide it to the side so you can still see the other participants in the Zoom meeting, and now the app will open up. You can do something like categories, or let's do an example and do things to talk about. So I will start this app. This is a brand new feature, so there are some bugs and people will take time to get used to it. You can ask the other participants to install the third-party app by clicking here on send. You can send it to all the participants to install to play the game. So for example, that's my dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
And we're going to look at if you could. So I'm going to select this theme, going to start the game. And once my dad joins in on his app, he can be there with us. Okay, so for example, in this game, we can talk about something. So I can ask my dad, Dad, if you could change places with anyone in the world, who would it be and why?
Let me think. Maybe Bill Gates. Okay, next one. If you could bring back any fashion trend, what would it be?
Any fashion trend. I would say bring back very baggy jeans just because it's uncomfortable to walk in. That is just an example of an app that you can use. New ones are being made every day, and you can go and look and find some apps that you would like on your Zoom. Zoom is doing a great job bringing new features to the platform. Use Zoom apps to improve your Zoom meetings in the future. I'm Eric from Edacute, and I'll see you next time.